Jupiter, the gas planet Little Shaver World. Learning objectives. Identify and describe Jupiter's key physical characteristics including size, mass, gravity, and rotation period. Recognize and explain the major geographical features of Jupiter. Understand the composition and characteristics of Jupiter's atmosphere and climate. Jupiter. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, stands out for its immense size, powerful magnetic field, and fascinating system of moons and rings. It is the fifth planet from the Sun, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles. Jupiter is so large that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, is a gigantic storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 400 years. Orbital characteristics. Distance from the Sun. Approximately 778 million kilometers or 484 million miles. Orbital period, about 10 hours. Rotation period, 58.6 Earth days. Axial tilt, virtually zero. Physical characteristics. Diameter, 142,984 kilometers or 88,846 miles. Mass, 318 times that of Earth. Density, 1.33 g/cm superscript 3. Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system composed primarily of hydrogen, about 90%, and helium, about 10%, with trace amounts of methane, ammonia, water vapor, and other gases. It features distinct bands of clouds, known as belts and zones, created by strong jet streams that move in alternating directions. The visible cloud layers consist of ammonia ice in the upper atmosphere, ammonium hydrosulfide in the middle, and water ice and vapor in the lower regions. Atmospheric layers. Upper layer, ammonia ice clouds, appearing white. Middle layer, ammonium hydrosulfide clouds, contributing to reddish-brown colors. Lower layer, water ice and vapor clouds, which are not visible but affect weather patterns. Magnetic field and magnetosphere. Magnetic field. The strongest planetary magnetic field in the solar system, generated by metallic hydrogen interior. Extends up to 7 million kilometers or 4.3 million miles towards the Sun, nearly reaching Saturn's orbit on the opposite side. Magnetosphere. Vast region dominated by Jupiter's magnetic field, containing intense radiation belts and charged particles. Weather and storms. The Great Red Spot is a colossal, enduring storm larger than Earth, lasting for more than 400 years. Its high-speed winds and shifting colors reveal intricate atmospheric dynamics. Strong jet streams known as zonal winds form bands of clouds that move in various speeds and directions. These bands are categorized into darker belts and lighter zones, which can be observed through telescopes. Moons. Jupiter has a total of 79 confirmed moons, with 4 significant Galilean moons known as Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Discovered by Galileo in 1610, these 4 moons are a remarkable quartet of celestial discoveries, each with its own distinct features and enigmas. Io is the innermost of the 4, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Its surface is dotted with hundreds of volcanoes, some of which are capable of erupting with spectacular plumes of sulfur and gas that can reach up to 300 miles into space. Europa is the smallest of the Galilean moons, has captivated scientists with its smooth, icy surface. Beneath this frozen crust lies a vast ocean of liquid water, raising the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life in its hidden depths. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. It has a complex geological history, featuring a mix of older, heavily cratered regions and younger, tectonically active areas. Ganymede also possesses its own magnetic field, a rarity among moons. Callisto is the outermost moon, is a heavily cratered world that bears the scars of countless impacts over billions of years. Despite its battered appearance, Callisto's relatively intact surface offers clues about the early solar system and the processes that shaped its formation. Jupiter's rings. Jupiter has a faint ring system made mostly of dust particles ejected from its moons by meteorite impacts. The rings around Jupiter consist of three main components. The halo ring is faint and diffuse, made of tiny light-scattering particles. The main ring is dense with ice and rock fragments, showing patterns and gaps influenced by nearby celestial bodies. Gossamer rings is delicate and transparent, contain microscopic dust particles and are challenging to observe. Exploration. Pioneer 10 and 11, 1973 to 1974. First spacecraft to visit Jupiter, provided initial close-up images and data. Voyager 1 and 2, 1979. Detailed images of Jupiter, its moons, and rings, discovering active volcanism on Io. Galileo, 1995 to 2003. Orbited Jupiter, studied the planet and its major moons extensively, and deployed a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere. Juno, 2016-present. Currently orbiting Jupiter, providing detailed measurements of its gravitational field, magnetic field, and polar magnetosphere. Future missions. Europa Clipper, NASA launching in the 2020s to investigate Europa's habitability. JUICE, ESA launching in the 2020s to study Jupiter's moons Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. Thank you for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Little Shaver World.